What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Can you fit golf clubs in the trunk of a GranSport? Well, I got my set of golf clubs here, and I've got a professional size bag. So this is one of the big ones, not one of the slim travel ones. And I want to see if we can get it into the trunk of my Mazzy here. Now, if you have one of these, you probably know that there is a void on this side, but the battery's on that side. So at the edge of the light, there is a wall. And the trunk here is not that deep, but this void here I think is going to really help. Kind of goes all the way to the edge of the car, but right here, there's that wall. So take everything out of here and have a virgin trunk and see if we can get the golf clubs in. I'm gonna try the bottom in first. Woods are too tall to fit in this way, so they are coming out. There. Ooh, look at that. So the big case fits in, and now I can lay the woods in separately. Now I will say, the problem here is this is fine if you're gonna go to the golf course and drive only yourself and meet up with your buddies there. But if you're picking someone up, this is gonna be a problem. However, I am impressed that I can get this in here with a pro size bag. Now I will say, if you have the smaller slim bags, which I like, and if you're carrying bags, those are what you want. But if you're carrying those bags, I would bet you could probably get both of them in here, but I would say you're probably gonna be better off taking out the woods and putting those in separately. But otherwise, yeah, that fits. Maserati, pretty useful. Hey, check out everything you need to go golfing in a Maserati with links in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.